So, hello everyone, welcome back to HW Blue. So, in another tutorial. So, today we will be doing sofa on Sketchup. This is one of the most viewed tutorials so far on our channel. So, we thought of doing it again, but with some kind of voiceover. And I'll be there just to ask if there are any questions on your behalf. And you too can leave your questions in your comments, and we'll try to answer all of them. I hope you will be able to learn something out of this video. So let's start. Over to Vijay now. So Vijay is the one who has actually originally done this video. So Vijay, you can start now.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a sofa in SketchUp. So let's first select the rectangle tool, select the origin, and let us make a rectangle of 2500, 1000 mm. Now go to push pull tool and give a extrusion value of 250 mm. Now go to offset tool, select the surface and give offset of 200 mm. Now go to erase tool, erase this line and choose the pencil tool. Select this point and join it here. Similarly, here also select this point and join it here. Now go to push pull tool and select this profile and drag up to 400 mm. Now go to erase tool and let us erase these lines. Here also erase this line.
Wow.
Now let us choose this edge and divide it into three parts. Now go to line tool, select this point and join it here. Similarly, here also select this point and join it here. Now go to push pull tool, select the surface, press Ctrl and give value of 180 mm. Similarly, here also drag it up to here. Here also drag it up to here.
There's a difference, I think, right? Why do we see those two lines?
We can erase the line. Actually, these are of no use.
Okay.
Now let us make it as a group
Hmm.
and go to rectangle tool and make a rectangle here like this. Go to push pull tool and drag the value of sorry, the value of 500 mm. 500 mm. Select this object and go to move tool. Select this point and press Ctrl and place it over here. Again, select this point, press Ctrl and place it here.
You were copying these, right?
Yeah, yeah. Copying this. So our sofa is ready. Let us now smoothen the edges. For this, explode this object. Go to
Hmm.
offset tool and give value of 25 mm. Similarly, do this for all these surfaces.
Hmm.
25 mm.
So we are doing
Here
this
also.
to make it look like cushions.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Okay.
I'm trying to smoothen the edges.
Hmm.
Do this for all the surfaces. Here also 25 mm, 25 mm, and 25 mm. Here also environment, environment, environment. Now go to now for select the horizontal surfaces
Hmm.
and now go to move tool, select the surfaces, press Alt, follow the axis, blue axis, and give value of 25 mm.
How much?
Now 25 mm.
Okay.
Now select the vertical faces.
Hmm.
Go to move tool, press Alt, follow the green axis, give value of 25 mm.
One second, 1 second. Alt
Yeah.
is to snap it. What does Alt do? It's to snap it like along the line.
It helps to follow the axis like
Okay.
green, blue, red.
Otherwise, it will be free.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Okay.
Now go to erase tool and press Control and erase all these lines.
Wow. Beautiful. So you're actually erasing the edges.
Yeah, in order to smoothen the edges. Mm. It is necessary to press Control while erasing these lines.
Wow. Superb. Let's do it gently.
Erase all these lines.
Why it becomes like that sometimes when you do Control Z? Is it because
If we don't press the Control, it will erase all the
okay,
surface.
okay, whatever comes in the way? Can we erase this guy?
Yeah, sure. Delete it.
Hmm.
Okay, it is almost ready. Okay, our sofa is ready. Let us give some texture to it.
Hmm.
For this, go to materials, go to carpet and fabrics.
Let's do.
Let us
Let's.
choose
Is
this
it
texture.
possible to make it in two shades? Yeah, this one is different,
Yeah,
and
possible.
yeah, and
And
let's do the cushions in different color.
cushions, for cushions, let us choose this one, yellow.
Wow, beautiful.
Let us rotate and look at it.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
The top corner is left, I guess. Hmm. Wow, great. So I think
it is ready.
yeah. So Vijay did a great job in doing this tutorial, and I
Thank you.
hope people who were not able to completely understand or maybe missed something, then after looking at this tutorial, they can completely understand it. So, like we said in the previous video, which we did like months ago, but we'll try to do it oftenly and with different kind of softwares. So I hope you people will get something out of it. Next time we will try some other softwares as well. So you can leave your comments if you have some ideas about what we can do, what we should do for a tutorial, and we'll try to do that as well. And if you really like this video and our efforts, please leave a like and do leave your comments, whether it's good or bad. But it's a feedback for us to help us improving. So I think that's all for the day. Vijay, do you have anything to add?
Okay, it's ready. We will improve it better for next videos.
Yeah. Okay, so we now wrap up it for this particular video. So we'll see you in the next video whenever we will be able to do it together. Very soon, we are also looking forward to buy a 3D printer and do some printing of such models. Of course, we can't print a sofa, but for mechanical items like some mechanisms, we will be looking forward to do them. We'll print them. We'll try to actually see them working. Like there's other people from mechanical background may understand. There's an orthodopter which Vijay did, and there are certain other mechanisms which we would like to print, and we would like to see if they actually work. Maybe by powering them somehow by using DC motor and etc. We're looking forward to it. It's on the way, so it's in the pipeline. Let us know if you think it's a good idea or bad idea to move forward. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.